Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to add the buy now button on Woocommerce. So first and foremost, there's a lot of things to tackle here. Well, not literally a lot, but it's a step-by-step guide here on Woocommerce. You basically need to be patient when it comes to like provisioning your account here. So that's what we're actually doing. We're going to fill up all these addresses, and I've just set it up a fresh WooCommerce account for you guys to actually grasp on the concept of how to actually do this. So again, email address, very important, and that's basically what you're going to need to do before starting these arduous process. So on your stores here, as you can see, there are no stores connected. This is a fresh account, so you're going to be connecting your store here. That's the main thing. So whatever store you have it out here, whether it be TikTok Shop, Shopify, Temu, whatever it is, that's the one that's going to be adding the shop now option, because you can't WooCommerce itself is a flexible platform, but without the actual store connected, whether it be built in or from other platforms, you will not get the actual button itself. So let's just wait right here. Again, it's very important to have your own account like this one. Email, don't forget the email, and just go ahead to the actual dashboard here. Provisioning the account is what we're doing basically to before we try to actually go the further step here. Okay, because I've actually connected this one on WordPress also. What I'm going to need you to do is if you have a WordPress, this is going to be helping you a lot when it comes to like provisioning your system, because it actually helps you with hosting overview, web developing. That's basically a magic when it comes to WooCommerce. Now in here, as you can see that the WooCommerce, I've already integrated WooCommerce here on my WordPress. You just have to like fill in all of this. Address line 1, address line 2 is optional. City, postcode, country, state. That's how you basically connect whatever store it is you have out there. Now this is worldwide, so we have Alberta. We have yeah, basically a lot of stuff here. So that's basically what you need to do. A second platform to connect to as a store. Basically we could use TikTok as well, but to basically put in the shop now button is to basically have a platform or a store connected to your Woo itself, like this one. Yeah, again, basically copy paste your store's platform here, and that'll do the work for you. You could also look for extensions, basically the WooCommerce marketplace, a lot of stuff there. This is a new services they add, the businesses services basically. So yeah, that's basically it. As you can see that this is a fresh account off the bat here, so that you guys could actually grasp a concept of how to actually utilize this platform itself. This is where you'll be seeing the orders and the basically details, especially your refund if you connected your store. Okay, so once you've basically connected your store, this is where you look for your orders. So we also have the my stores. Your stores will be connected here like the ones that I've showed you on this one is the subscriptions. If you don't have any subscriptions yet, that's totally fine. So yeah, that's basically what you need to do. All in all, is just to basically connect a store to the actual WooCommerce platform itself, like what we're doing right now, in order for us to activate the feature that allows customers to like traverse and buy through your website. There's a lot of weekly deals here, like product bundles. We have a cancellation survey, and for offers for WooCommerce subscriptions. We also have WooCommerce product table builder. This one. So they do have weekly deals. So if that's what you're interested in, just basically grab onto these platform aiding features right here. Okay. Especially the B2B. That's really good. And I recommend, if you're not really savvy on labels and descriptions, that you just basically just basically use AI in this one. Okay, now you basically click on buy now. So once you've chose whatever whatever builder platform or whatever it is, it could be TikTok Shop basically here. And once you click on that, just basically scroll down and you can see all these things right here that are rated. So once you buy all these, buy one of these platforms right here, then you could basically add in the details of your shop when it comes to the WooCommerce. Okay, and that's just basically going to do the trick for you. Again, the first step is to create an account itself. The second step is to connect the stores, whatever platform it is. I recommend doing whatever like TikTok or WordPress. And the third one is buying a builder like this one. So that's just basically it. So WooCommerce, yep, we're absolutely finished here. You could basically just add it here. This is the WordPress. So once you've done all the steps, you could basically use a third party or second party website like this one on, especially WooCommerce. Again, this is the last step actually. The WordPress one, you don't actually have to do that one in particular, but you just have to like have a third different platform to actually complement your WooCommerce builder. Okay, so that's just basically it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day, y'all.